Hey YouTube! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to permanently disable Defender antivirus on Windows 10. For that, first you need to turn off tamper protection. I'll show you. Just follow me. Launch Windows Security. On the left, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Now scroll down until you see Tamper Protection. There it is, just turn it off. Now close Windows Security. Now launch Run by hitting Windows plus R. Type regedit on it and hit Enter. Here you can see a folder named HKey Local Machine. Expand it. In here, find Software and expand it. Now find Policies and expand it. In here, expand Microsoft. Now find Windows Defender and click on it. Move the cursor to the right side and right-click. Click New. Now click on DWORD 32-bit value. As you can see, a value is created there. Rename it to Disable Anti-Spyware without any space. Now right-click on it and click Modify. Change the value data from 0 to 1 and press OK. Now close the registry editor. Refresh and restart your computer. That's all what you got to do to permanently disable your Windows Defender. Now, if this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. This is my new channel and your subscribing means a lot to me. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.